Hi, welcome to Golden Garage. I'm Carrie Golden. We're here at the Capitol for National Police Week with our Wisconsin State Patrol car, which is a 1967 Chevrolet Biscayne.
Morning, I'm Ken Hellendahl, retired from law enforcement a long time ago. Live and work in Cheltenham Township now, still in the emergency services. This is a 1978 Kawasaki C1. This is the official Chips bike, as in the TV show. This was the first year that Kawasaki made the C1, and only for 2 years did they use this windshield. The radio and the siren box are the original. It's a 1,000cc bike and was used for a long period of time with CHP. This one is fully restored. This is a 1969 Harley Survey car with a siren through the front fender. Rubs off the wheel, and that's what makes the noise. The Survey car is the longest running bike made from the early 1900s until 1973. The 69 is the first one to have a fiberglass box on the back versus a steel box. Top speed of about 45 miles an hour, 3-speed suicide shift.
How many times do I have to do this?
Don't mess up.
Hello everybody, my name's Chuck Vigiani. I'm with the Vintage Police Vehicle Owners. We're a Facebook group, a bunch of Facebook guys from all around the country that are here for National Police Week.
Hi, my name is Karen Knox, and I am the widow of Jason Knox. He was killed in the line of duty May 2nd, 2020, from the Houston Police Department. He died in a helicopter crash. In 2019, he was here with this car representing the city of Houston for Police Week. He died that next year, and this year I had the honor of coming back with his car, representing and keeping his legacy going in the history. I also have a second car at home that I'm hoping to bring back next year. But yeah, this is it, and just anything to keep his dream alive.
Needs a gang enforcement team to report to Newport and Sheffield. 6760 10-4.
And Addison, I can walk my team down there. It's about 3 blocks.
All right, then 10-4. PH1, Taco Bell, they just coordinate something at the Taco Bell at this point.
Positive ID on all 4.
About the loud pounding outside. I have nothing further. They were robbed at gunpoint by 3 male blacks. They were last seen wearing gray hoodies who displayed guns, taken with the caller's purse. Not sure of the exact location of occurrence. Right now she's at 1758 West End Grand.
1232,
Robert.
32, Robert.